Welcome to our Green Acres and welcome back to our renovation. I don't know if y'all have been following along, but I put out a couple of videos so far of a transformation process that we are doing to a couple of rooms in our home. We are trying to turn them into more of a French country style, and these two rooms are our laundry room and our guest bathroom. I'm going through each week and showing y'all the transformation of the space in episodes because it's going to take us a few weeks to get it totally completed. So I'm just bringing y'all along, and also I'm asking for y'all's advice, your tips and suggestions on things that you think we should implement and things that may make our transformation more successful. My inspiration for this project is this picture right here. I want some lighter walls, I want some darker cabinets, and I also want some checkered flooring. So what we've done so far is I have painted the bathroom cabinets. They were white, and we put this beautiful Wilmington gray on the cabinets. So we've got those painted. We pulled up all the flooring in the bathroom that was ceramic tile, and we also removed this huge wall mirror. So today's video, I'm going to get y'all caught up, and then I'm also going to show you the progress that we've made. So I'm going to show y'all, just get you caught up, but in last week's video, I brought y'all along to Home Depot where I picked out the paint color, and I went with this beautiful vintage white. So we already have the guest bathroom painted, so while they were mixing the paint, we went over and picked out our flooring. We went with a peel and stick tile, and we're going to go with a beautiful Italian-inspired marble look. We're going to coordinate a beautiful black square with a beautiful tan square. So I'm going to show y'all what the flooring looks like because we are still working on the laundry room. But in today's video, I'm going to show y'all the progress that we've made and show you the things that we have implemented to make this space more of a French country style. So let's get started. So where we left off last week was we got the guest bathroom painted with that beautiful vintage white, and we got some of the flooring put down. This flooring right here lays really easy, and you just go in, it's peel and stick, you just peel the back off and put down your squares. And I showed all of that in last week's video. But now I'm going to catch y'all up. Now we need to go toilet shopping. Y'all all gave us some really good suggestions on new toilets. I have not purchased a new toilet in a really long time, but y'all, they have a huge selection now. They have a new style now. Instead of this curvy back, or what some people call like a snake back, that's kind of hard to clean, all those nooks and crannies, they have smoother toilets now. So a lot of y'all said to get one of those because cleaning was a lot easier. And they also have taller versions of toilets now. I think an average height of a toilet is like 16 and a half or 16 inches high, but to get a taller one is between 17 to 19 inches. So we went with a smooth toilet and we brought it home, and I will tell you about it, of how it went in just a minute. While we were there that day shopping for a new toilet, I also wanted to go over and see what selection of mirrors that Lowe's has because we are going to need a new mirror. Now, I am thinking about a gold ornate mirror for this area, but look at the selection that Lowe's has. They have them in all shapes, all colors, wood grains. They have the gold ones, they have silver, just about any kind of mirror you would want, they have it. I really want to go with something that has more of an ornate, more of an arch shape. And I did pick out one, and I brought it home and I tried it, and I thought like it wasn't ornate enough. It didn't have a big enough border around it, and it just kind of blended in with the wall. This one right here is the one, not this one, but this one right here. I picked it out. It's an oval shape, but it had just a little bit too skinny of a border. I'm looking for something with a little bit more ornate detail. So we did end up carrying that one back. And in the meantime of doing our work this week, y'all, me and Ben got sick. We were down for a couple of days with fever and not feeling good at all. We have mended, and we are on the road to recovery, thank goodness. So we did feel like going and cranking this project back up, and so we started back to work and just doing things as we felt like it. Because I don't know about y'all, but when we are sick, you get so bored of being sick and just sitting around doing nothing. So we just kind of worked on this as we felt like it. The smooth toilet did not fit in our space because of the way our plumbing is set up. So we had to take that smooth back toilet back. So now we're going to go with a taller version. Let's try a taller toilet. This is one I've never had a taller top toilet. So I'm going to go with a taller toilet and see how it works. It will have that snake curved design in the back, because that is what we're going to have to go with to fit the existing plumbing in the bathroom. So we're going to get it home, and hopefully it's going to fit. Ben's going to get it installed, and we will have another piece of this project finished. The toilet that we chose is a Kohler brand. I think this was in the $250 range, and this is 19 inches tall. It was easy to assemble, so Ben got it assembled, and the first thing he wanted to do was flush it and just make sure we had good water pressure and he had everything connected correctly so we didn't have any leaks. And I told y'all I have not toilet shopped in years, but another nice feature that toilets have these days is soft closure lids. So all you have to do is just give it a little push, and the rest it does by itself. So you can give it a little push, leave the room, and the lid will close. Something else we worked on this week was removing this shower curtain rod. We weren't real sure how to take it down or if we could. So Ben did figure out that you just kind of loosened up those cuffs there on each end, and they have like anchor bolts into the shower. So if we can take this outside and spray paint this, maybe black or that oil rubbed bronze, I think that will go with, the color scheme that I'm going for. I did try to put some rub and buff on it so we wouldn't have to take it down, but the rub and buff did not work. So we're going to take it outside, and on a good day when we can spray paint again, because the weather here is kind of cold and it's not very good for spray painting. But if we get a warmer day, I'm going to spray paint this, and then hopefully we're going to be able to reuse it, and we'll just put this back up and we'll put up a beautiful shower curtain. Now we're going to start back on the floor. We're not going to paint the laundry room first like we did the guest bathroom. Technically, it would be easier to paint first before we put the flooring down, but we've got so many appliances in the laundry room that it's just so complicated to work around those. So we're just going to continue working on the flooring. So Ben just went around and cut, those door facings, cut those a little bit, and then we're just going to remove this quarter round, and we are going to reuse it. We will put it back, and we're going to go around and paint all the baseboards in the quarter round and give them a fresh coat of paint. Another thing we weren't sure of was how easy this old peel and stick tile would come up, because sometimes this stuff is very sticky, but it actually come up really well. Ben was able to pull most of it up with his putty knife. Some of it would come up the whole tile in one piece, and some of it would come up, in pieces. So he went around and removed a lot of that. And what we're trying to do is try to get the refrigerator area done. Get that flooring up under the refrigerator done. And that way we'll roll the refrigerator back in its position. And then we'll just have to roll it back out when we go to paint. So he's going to get these cuts around the door first. They're the hardest. But once he gets those cuts made and he gets the, around the door done, then it's just pretty much, you just go around with your peel and stick tiles. You just go in, place them, make sure you've got them really lined up. And he goes over with this little brayer. I think this is more of a pastry roller that I got at Goodwill for 99 cents. But he used this for his application. He said he didn't know if it was really necessary because these tiles really do stick really well. But he just kind of rolled over them just to make sure they adhered really good. So he's just going to work himself in this area, get the refrigerator back in place, and then he's just going to keep on working until he gets tired. And y'all, he actually made it through the whole room. So the only area that we have to do will be up under the washing machine and the dryer area, and we will tackle that probably next week. Once Ben got the flooring over here in the area of where we will roll the refrigerator back, he wanted to go on and work on the door. He wanted to go on and put the bathroom door back up just so we can get it out of our way, and that will be another thing off our list. Before we put the door back up, we are going to replace the hardware on it. This is another very budget-friendly way to add some really refreshed detail to your spaces, is refresh and update your hardware. We got some new plates for the door. Look at these, how old they are. They've probably been on the home ever since it's been built. They're rusted, they're gold, they're not really fitting our color scheme. We are also going to replace the doorknobs along with the plates, and I'm going with that oil rubbed bronze color. So we are going to replace all the hardware on the door just to give it a refresh and give it a new color. So this is just another, like I say, another tip when you're refreshing a room. Look at your doorknobs and look at the plates on your doors and the hardware, because you may want to replace those, give them, a new color. Maybe your color, it has changed in your home like ours has. When we bought our home, a lot of our doorknobs were that silver color, so we have throughout the years replaced some of them already with this bronze color. So Ben now is just going to put the plates on. He's going to put the door back up. These are actually they said squeak proof plates, so we'll see about that. But currently right now the door doesn't squeak. So he's going to go back now and he's going to work his way all the way to the door frame, y'all. He's going to get the laundry room knocked out. So the only section we'll have to work on next weekend when he's off work will be over here by the washer and the dryer. Look what a difference this flooring already makes. I cannot wait until we get over here in this area and get the flooring finished up and we start painting this room. I think when we paint this room, I think it's going to really all come together. But I'll take you inside the bathroom. We still need to pick up some things. That is the time-consuming part, is shopping and finding just the right pieces that you want. I still need to get a new doorknob. I'm still shopping around for a mirror. We've got to get the light fixture, paint the shower curtain right, and choose a shower curtain. Or I may go with one that I already have because it really kind of blends in with this color I've got. We need to do something with the countertop, and I'm still contemplating what to do with it. Make sure to come back next week because I've got the hardware for the cabinets. The screws are a little bit too long, but once we get those cut down, we will get the hardware on the cabinets, and I can't wait to show y'all the hardware. It's absolutely beautiful. So make sure to come back next week and see what kind of progress we've made, because each weekend we get so much done and it's all really coming together. Before I end the video, with Valentine's coming up really fast, I wanted to share with y'all a beautiful heart-shaped crystal box full of some beautiful pink roses that I just received from Rose Forever of New York. I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about them, but they have a monthly membership now, so make sure to go out, check their website, and check out all those details, because you can get up-to-date news about all the new products they receive, and they are constantly adding new products to their website. I have partnered with them for many years, and I have received so many of their beautiful roses, and they are guaranteed to last up to 365 days. But let me tell you, I have had some of these roses that have lasted, they're still going, and they've lasted for years. They do have a monthly membership now, so like I told y'all, I'm going to leave a link down below, so make sure to go and check them out. They have roses for all occasions. So if you need a get well box or Valentine's box, birthday present, wedding gift, y'all, they have you covered. The recipient that receives these will be ecstatic, trust me. They not only look beautiful, but they smell absolutely exquisite also. So if you want fresh roses and you want them to last and bloom for at least 365 days, they've got you covered. The box that I received is the Heart Crystal box with the 15 pink roses. This box also comes in a rectangle shape and also a square box, and you can also get a larger size with 35 roses. It has a bottom tray that pulls out so you can add jewelry or any kind of accessories to it. This right here is the perfect Valentine gift, y'all. So make sure to go out and check out Rose Forever of New York. And I'm also going to leave below a discount code for y'all to use. You will receive $20 off of your purchase. So make sure to go out and check them out and get some beautiful roses for a recipient to give to for a special occasion or Valentine's Day coming up. Okay, y'all, just want to give y'all a huge thank you for coming over to the video today. Hope everybody is staying warm, safe, and healthy. Until the next video, I hope all of y'all have a blessed week, and I'll see y'all again next week in a brand new video.